Hello friends. First, let's draw two mountains. Just draw curved lines. Then, a tree in the mountains. Now, draw a house in front of the mountains. All these are straight lines. Very easy to draw, isn't it? Windows. The door. Okay. Now, draw a waterfall from the mountains. And then, separate the mountains and the ground area by drawing a straight line. Draw some beautiful bushes just on that line. Well, draw the water that flows downward. Finally, let's draw the sun shines in the sky, just above the waterfall. First, rather long straight lines. Then, shorter lines between those long lines. Right. Now, hold your pencil very softer, and color inner side of the tree. Do the same thing to the area behind the bushes. Remember that you should control your hand very well. Good. Do it carefully. Okay. Now shade the land area with a control of your pencil. Now, with a bigger size blender, I blend all the middle areas that I colored with the pencil. Now, a small blender. Do it carefully. Good. Wow! We've got a beautiful drawing. Friends, don't forget to subscribe.